Hi there, John Kelsey here. Thanks for watching this video again. So, hey, what I wanted to talk about is, look at the whiteboard behind me. You'll see I wrote the word transformation at the top. You know what? We've seen it happen hundreds of times when people get into Red Rhino and they start watching the videos and they start learning how to estimate step by step. It'll transform your company, and that's no joke. You'll be able to bang out your estimates really a lot faster than without estimating software, much faster, and you'll find that you'll have a lot more accuracy. Now, just to go through this kind of what's on the whiteboard, I'm going to step out of the way here, but you know, I've talked about the three components of estimating software. I see myself halfway in, halfway out here, but three components, and we call it an estimating triangle, okay? There's material takeoff, recap, and proposal. Now again, the material takeoff is where you make a material list. You make an exact material list and input those materials into the program. Okay. The recap is where you analyze your labor, analyze the materials. You input your quoted materials and your expenses and other things into the recap, and then you create a proposal. We call the proposal the deliverable to your customer. A proposal is what you're proposing to your customer for what price. Okay. Now I'm just going to run down the whiteboard here real quick, but we call again the estimating triangle the three things: material takeoff, recap, and proposal. I already said that, but just to move ahead, the way you can get started fastest again is to watch these videos. Now I'm going to break it down for you here. Look, this isn't we're not asking you to watch hundreds of hours of videos here. We create the videos, or I should say I create the videos in little snippets. Okay, they're 2 to 10 minutes long, most of them around 2 or 3 minutes, and we're just showing you, giving you the idea how to do something. Then you want to go click along doing it as discussed on the video. But look, in the takeoff section, when you go into Red Rhino and log in, it'll take you through the whole process to get into an estimate, to start an estimate, and then you'll watch videos. Those videos consist of the total, I think there's 5 or 6 of them, a total of 31 minutes. Okay, little video snippets. I think the longest one is 11 minutes. The rest are 2 and 3 minutes. And then and the last video, it's called Last Step. When you watch the last video in the sequence there of takeoff, it'll show you how to go to the recap. When you go into the recap, you'll watch videos. Those videos total about 11 minutes. Okay, I mean, they're 2 3-minute video snippets that you watch, and it shows you step by step. Now, I don't want to take away from the time it really takes to learn this. I just want to say that the videos we have are right to the point. They get you right through the process. And in order to really start becoming a rock star using Red Rhino, you'll go through all the videos of takeoff, recap, and proposal. See, proposal has 12 minutes of videos. I think there's 5 or 6 of them. So, you know, they got to average 2 minutes a piece or so. So, again, when you log in, it'll show you how to create an estimate and a section, and when you get into it, you're going to see what I mean. If you've done it already, you know what I mean. It's going to take you through a series of videos. Watch those videos in order. The last one will show you how to go to the next step. The last one in takeoff will show you how to go to the recap. You'll watch those video snippets, and then you'll go to the proposal, and you'll actually learn how to create a proposal to email to your client. That's what I wanted to share with you. Now, next time we're going to, I'm going to actually have a questionnaire for you. What I want to do is I want to get questions that you have about estimating, and I'll share that with you in the next video. But I want to answer the questions that you have specifically, okay? Now, you always know that you can click below on this email, on this page, and you can contact me to set up a 30-minute consultation. Okay, I do that. It's included in the price of Rhino. Love doing it. Love helping people. Make sure you do that. Okay, write down all your questions. Go through these things, and when you go through these videos, it'll show you the basics. Call it 101 or basic training or Red Rhino, and then I'll get down to the real nitty-gritty with you. When you call me, we'll get into some real detailed information. Okay. And then just always, I like to say, we're going to teach you to bid it to win it, okay? That's the key. Okay, so I'll talk to you next time. Take care.